And so I just go to your Stephanie?
Yes, Stephanie J. Sanders.
Stephanie.
All right, so it says we are now streaming live. It is 9:59. So hello, everyone. I hope all is well. What I like you guys to do right now is make sure you share this live. I have a wonderful Black business owner here with me, and we're going to get started shortly. So if you are watching us live, make sure you hit a 1 if you are watching us live. Make sure you hit a 2 if you are hitting that replay, and make sure that you go ahead and share this with your respective pages, share this on people's timelines. We are trying to spread the word. Black business is here for the month of February. So I'm going to give you guys 1 minute to go ahead and share this with your respective pages. Okay, guys? 1 minute. I'm going to start promptly in 1 minute.
So Stephanie, this, it says tune in tonight at 10 p.m. Is that what I'm sharing?
No, refresh the page. Now you should see us.
Okay, hold on, let's see.
Now you should be able to see a Facebook Live. It says support Black business and it has your name at the top.
Okay, let's see.
Hey guys, I just want to welcome you. If you are tuning in, make sure you hit a 1 if you are watching us live, a 2 if you are hitting that replay. Go ahead and share this. We are sharing this as we speak to our respective pages. Make sure you get some people here on to tune in and watch for my Support Black Business campaign. So we're going to go ahead and get started shortly. Just making sure we're hitting that little share button. Welcome to those of you tuning in.
Yeah, it's not on. Okay. I'm not able to do it. I don't know why it's not. Let's see, let me go back. I don't see. Okay, I'm gonna go try this one more time. I'm sorry.
Oh, not a problem. All right, let me see if I can tag you. Let me see if I can tag you in it. Is it Jantie?
Yes.
Got you. So I'm going to tag you in it right now.
Okay, I see it now.
Okay, awesome. So now I'm able to share or do a watch party.
Okay, so I'll share.
And make sure you guys are sharing as well. Okay, guys, make sure you're sharing this out. We want as many eyeballs as we possibly can on this wonderful and beautiful night.
Okay, let's see here. Share now. Let's see. Share to a page. I'm coming up.
No problem. It's just giving us a little bit more time to go ahead and share this out. So if you are tuning in and watching us live, make sure you hit that 1. If you are hitting the replay, make sure you hit that 2. I just want to welcome you guys. I'm going to start off by telling you a little bit about what we have going on as we continue to share. So my name is Stephanie J. Sanders. I am founder, CEO of Cultivated Minds Enterprises, where we inspire, cultivate, and educate those to be the person that you never had. So every night in February, Cultivated Minds Enterprises is going to feature another Black-owned business. It is Black History Month, and we are here to support one another. And I really want to change the rhetoric of how we don't stick together, right? And I know there's a plethora of Black-owned businesses that do stick together, and we are working together to grow not only our personal business, but awareness that we are here, that we have things to offer, and we want to work with you. So on tonight, I have a special guest, and I'm gonna get this right, okay, guys? I'm gonna get this right. We have a Miss Jantie Mitchell. Did I say it right?
Shantay Mitchell, yes.
Jantie Mitchell, excuse me. We have a Miss Jantie Mitchell, and she is owner of the Luce Shop. And I'm going to pause here and have her give you a little bit about herself and what her shop is all about.
Hi guys, Shantay Mitchell again with the Luce Shop. I'm sorry, I'm looking at myself instead of looking at that camera. The Luce Shop is a store. Basically, we are a store that is centered around inspiration, motivation. We believe that words have power. A lot of us understand that words have power, and we want to use our words to uplift and inspire people to be just like Stephanie, talked about, to be the best them, basically, that they can be.
That is awesome. Now, I was, fiddling around with your website, and it's an online store that sells t-shirts, hats, mugs, and like she said, she specializes in personal sayings. And I came across a saying that I loved on one of your shirts, and it definitely says push past, push past. And when we were walking up that hill, it's kind of hard to do it. But my question to you is, what made you decide to put words on shirts? Why not write a book? Why shirts? Why advertise that way?
Stephanie, I tell you, it's been an uphill battle. The Luce Shop actually started in 2010 in my home state of Louisiana. Um, and life happens, and we go through different things. All of my life, I have been a person that loved to, I used to act, speak, and all those things, and so I love words. And so one day I was like, I found a poem that I wrote, and I was like, this would be good, on a shirt. And then I said, maybe put it on a shirt and then put it on a mug, and we can do different things with it. And so I was like, yes, this is awesome. So I created the Luce Shop, and I was like, okay, we're gonna do this. But then life happened, and trying to find avenues to put your stuff on, and it's like there's nobody to help. There's nobody, so I was like, I wanted to do these shirts, but I can't, I don't know what, I don't know, the avenues to take to do it. And, I started with my poem, and it was going good, but then, things happened. And so I moved from my home state to Texas, where I am now. And, like I said, life happened, things, started happening. I had a set of twins, things were going on, I stopped. And so one day I was like, I got to keep doing this. And so things happened where, I was able to start doing my shirts again. I was like, you know what? Push past. Everything that I've been through in life, it led me to this point. And that's why I have my shirt on, push past, be your own boss. And so I was like, I'm going to do this. And so I figured we'll start with shirts, but we're not just our products. We're not just the shirts. We're not just mugs. We're a brand. We're motivating, people, inspiring people that they don't have to stay where they are. They can push past that obstacle. We all have them, but it's up to us if we're going to stay there or we're going to keep going.
And I love that idea, just
Thank you.
push past. And you said you started in 2010.
Yes.
And my question would be, what do you have to say to business owners out there that, life is happening to them right now? And some of us, we just want to give up, throw in a towel, hey, I had an idea, it's not working out. What really kept you from 2010 to right now still pushing past? What is that thing? What is that why that is pushing you to continue to motivate those around you?
Well, I'll tell you, it's two things: God and my children. um, God, because He's been the center of my life since I was a little kid. And I realized that everything I do is centered around Him. But also my children. I don't know if you saw my website, but my logo is my children. And that's my inspiration. They drive me every day to keep on pushing past, because life happens every day. But I realize that we have to show up. If you don't show up, then guess what? You're not going to do anything, but you got to show up every day. You got to show. It doesn't matter how hard it is. You got to show up. I don't care if you have to cry. Show up. Show up to fight every day.
Awesome. So your business is located in Texas?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Awesome. So it's a little earlier there than it is.
Yes.
Our bedtime right now on this side.
Yes.
And that's awesome. Now, for the viewers watching, how can they get in contact with you?
Okay. If you want to email us, you can email us at admin, ADMIN, at thelaceshop.com. Also, if you go to our website, you can subscribe to our email list and stay current with everything that we're, doing. And then also, if you go online, I know it's kind of hard, but if you go online to our website to see our products, you have to go to the top and hit the catalog button, and it'll pull up all of our products. Also, we're on Facebook, the Luce Shop. Also, Instagram. You can check us out at Instagram at the Luce Shop.
Now, guys, if you are watching this live, all of her information is located in the description. So make sure you definitely follow her on her social media platforms, her Facebook page, as well as go to her website. Guys, those shirts are powerful. She has more than just push pass. That was just my favorite that I saw on the website. So you have a variety of them, all different colors, really inspirational. And I really, I'm an English teacher, so I love words myself. That's
Yes.
my thing. Like
Yes.
Words are extremely powerful, and to see them on people, sometimes you never know. When you're walking and you just look up and see a push pass, you're like, I needed that.
Yes.
Everybody needs that, and you see it, and it's just awesome.
Yes.
So I want to thank you, but I also wanted to ask if you had any promotions or anything going on currently, or anything else you would like to say about the Luce Shop.
Well, right now, the one thing I want to say, I also have a Facebook group, and in that group, our store is for everybody, but in that group, it's called Be Inspired and Grow. That group is for women, and it's for women of all ages. And it's basically to inspire them, to encourage them, to motivate them, to uplift them, to let them know that, guess what? You can be the woman that God has called you to be. So that's our Facebook group. Check us out, Be Inspired and Grow. And check us out on our website as well.
Absolutely. Well, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for reaching out. I loved having you here.
Thank you.
Definitely check out that Facebook group. So if you can, when you get a chance, go back on this page and put it in the comment section for us.
Yes, we'll do.
Sell anything, so we can make sure we actually get in the group. So make sure you guys join this group, guys. It sounds like an amazing space. It's a girls only club, right?
Yes, this one is.
Sorry, it's only for us. You guys can else, but we definitely appreciate you. But I cannot end this Facebook Live without our Black History Month fact. So this is a fact that you probably don't know. When you think of the first Black millionaire, a lot of us think of Madam C.J. Walker, which is true. She is the first Black female millionaire, but this is the first Black millionaire. So in 1890, Tommy LaFawn was thought to be the first Black millionaire. He was a New Orleans, from your hometown, real estate speculator and money lender. He was recognized as a community activist and philanthropist through the Civil War, before the Civil War, when he still was a young man. He was listed as a merchant in the New Orleans City Directory in 1842. In 1868, the directory listed him as a broker, and he was considered the city's second leading Black broker until 1870. As his wealth grew, he gave freely to those less fortunate, including religious and anti-slavery causes, and supported the LaFawn Orphan Boys Asylum and the Home for Aged Colored Men and Women, both which he founded. The Tommy LaFawn School, dedicated in 1898, made him the first Black man and second Black person in New Orleans to have a school named for him. The Hall of Fame at the 1939 through 40 New York World's Fair listed his name along with those other Blacks, Native Americans, and foreign-born Americans who were notable contributors to the American progress and culture. He lived frugally, and despite his philanthropic gifts, his estate was valued at nearly $500,000. LaFon's will provided for his relatives and friends, but he left the bulk of his estate to charity. That is Tommy LaFon, the first Black millionaire. So, guys, make sure you get with this wonderful Black business. All her information is listed in the description. Make sure you join this powerful and amazing group and have a marvelous, marvelous night. Good night, guys. Thank you again.
Thank you.